Hello, how are you doing? So I just watched Peter McKinnon's latest video about the Aperture MC hanging out under his truck for a year. I thought that was super cool. I'm an engineer, so super reliable stuff like that just has always appealed to me. So I'm going to design a little award stand thingy, whatever, on SolidWorks to commemorate. And Peter, if you're watching this, feel free to download it and print it out yourself somewhere, or I can mail you one, because I mean, that is cool. If it was able to stay on one and still work, I wasn't expecting it to work. I mean, I expected it a little more than normal because, you know, he was making a vlog about it, but I still wasn't sure. But I'm very impressed, so I just figured I'd make a video of actually going through the process of making the little stand. Just grab some popcorn and I'll put it on high speed and we'll go at it. Alright, so here's SolidWorks. Let's get started. What's up, guys? It's the next day. I finished printing the award last night. Boom. Looks like that. Got some pretty cool angles on there. Says under a truck for a year award on the base. I thought about painting it and then like scuffing it up to make it look worn, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. Peter, if you want me to send this to you, I can send you this one or just send you the file for you to print yourself, but there it is. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick view, just going through SolidWorks, mocking up a quick little stand for the Aperture MC. I had a pretty fun time. I think it looks great. I stuck my Aperture MX in there a little bit ago. Looks great, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Oh! Do something nice for someone today. Now I'll see you next time.